Bitcoin trades above $26,500, Ether stays below $1,700. Binance US not cooperating with investigation, US SEC says in filing. AI defense startup Helsing raises $223 million to protect democracies. Celsius Core Scientific resolve acrimonious mining dispute with $45 million deal. Bybit in talks with the UK FCA confirms it will not exit despite regulatory concerns. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Leading virtual digital assets or VDS market were trading higher as a recent spate of the US macroeconomic indicators pointed to negligible chance of Federal Reserve raising key lending rates during the FOMC meet next week. Bitcoin traded above $26,500 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.2% at 34,430 points. On the economic front, the US retail sales data showed a strong consumer spending momentum, with retail sales rising by 0.6% in August, while PPI grew by 0.7%. Initial jobless claims rose by 220,000. However, in view of the recent data, the market experts believe that the Fed has completed its interest rate hikes. Traders see a 97% chance that interest rates will remain steady at 5.25 to 5.50% amid Fed maintaining its current monetary policy. Meanwhile, the open interest in perpetual futures contracts tied to Sol has jumped 35% to a two-month high of 16.25 million Sol in 1 week, representing an influx of money in the market. The fund inflow is built on the prospect of FTX creditor liquidations. In another interesting news, Deutsche Bank is collaborating with Taurus, a Swiss startup that specializes in Bitcoin storage, to provide digital asset custody and tokenization services. Interestingly, the daily trading volume on Ethereum for Friend.tech, a platform that lets users share and exchange digital assets, has surpassed an astonishing $12.3 million. Friend.tech has outperformed the Ethereum network's NFT trading volume. Additionally, among smaller tokens, Hedera, Hashgraph, and Solana Sol led gains amongst major tokens, rising 6% and 3%. Hedera announced on Wednesday at token 2049 in Singapore that Stablecoin Studio, its open-source stablecoin issuance and management toolkit, is live. Furthermore, altcoins are also slightly in the green on a daily scale now. Ethereum has added about 1.5% of value over the past day and sits above $1,600. Binance Coin, Ripple, Cardano, DogeCoin, Tron, Polkadot, and Matic have all seen minor gains. US stock futures were trading higher on the back of a positive release of a decent batch of economic data. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was trading up by 0.96%. The S&P 500 gained about 0.84%, while the Nasdaq Composite traded higher by 0.81%. Bitcoin was trading at $26,635, up 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.5%, trading at $1,630. BNB was up by 0.4% to trade at $209. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up by 1.7% and was trading at $19.2. Cardano's ADA token was up by 1.3% to trade at $0.25. Talking about Avalanche AVAX, it was trading at $9.4, higher by 0.1%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1% to trade at $0.52. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1% at $0.062. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, up by 3%. Next on the list, Polkadot was up by 2% to trade at $4.1.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has accused Binance.US of non-cooperation in the ongoing investigation against the crypto exchange, according to a court filing dated September 14th. The The SEC, in its court filing, noted that Binance.US's holding company called BAM has produced only 220 documents during the discovery process. Many of the submitted documents under the consent order consist of unintelligible screenshots and documents without dates or signatures. SEC added that BAM has refused to produce essential witnesses for deposition, instead agreeing only to 4 depositions of witness it has unilaterally deemed appropriate. The SEC also raised concerns over Binance.US's use of Sept wallet custody software provider by the global entity Binance Holdings Limited. The SEC noted that BAM made inconsistent statements about Sept's and Binance's involvement in the wallet and customer funds management. European AI defense developer Helsing announced that it raised €209 million, around $223 million worth in Series B funding led by venture capital firm General Catalyst. Swedish airplane and car manufacturer Saab joined as a strategic investor as well. Launched in 2021, Helsing focuses on developing AI-enabled military application and components, including for the upcoming update to the NATO Eurofighter warplane and the Future Combat Air System program. Helsing also said that it has provided frontline technology in Ukraine and an ongoing basis since the Russian invasion began in 2022. In a statement, the company said that it is focusing on developing AI technology to protect our democracies. Swedish billionaire and Spotify founder Daniel Ek is also a supporter of Helsing AI. Crypto mining providers Celsius and Core Scientific have reached a tentative $45 million deal to resolve a long-standing legal dispute, according to Thursday court filing. The deal, which involves Celsius paying $14 million in cash and the remainder in adjusted claims, must be approved by judges in Texas and New York, jurisdictions where Core and Celsius have respectively filed for bankruptcy. The settlement resolves the protracted and expensive litigation with Core and cuts off the significant costs that would have been incurred if the parties were to fully litigate their claims, a filing by Celsius lawyers said, describing the deal under which Celsius also acquires Cedar Vale, an 85-acre Texas mining site, as a fair, equitable, and a carefully negotiated resolution. Celsius has previously filed claims of $315 million after Core powered down Celsius mining rigs in January, citing unpaid dues, and had previously filed motions saying Core should be held in contempt of court. Bybit, a major crypto exchange operator that has current presence in the UK, has rejected earlier reports suggesting its imminent exit from the UK market due to forthcoming marketing regulations. Ben Zhao, CEO of Bybit, clarified the company's stance, stating that the firm is in talks with the UK regulator to find solutions to the matter. This statement contrasts with previous remarks Zhao made, where he indicated that the exchange might soon exit the UK and even referenced their recent departure from France. The Financial Conduct Authority's stringent regulations set to take effect on October 8th have raised concerns among various crypto entities operating within the UK. The rules, aiming to bring transparency and accuracy to the marketing of crypto products, will introduce new measures such as a cooling off period for first-time investors. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Aptos. According to data from Token Unlocks in November, the Aptos project will release 20 million APTs, or about 112% of the total trading volume, which could be frowned upon by investors and trigger a downturn for crypto. The Layer 1 Aptos blockchain protocol is set to release 20 million APT tokens to the market on 12th November 2023, according to a crypto vesting plan by the Token Unlocks source. This could increase selling pressure for the cryptocurrency, which is facing strong speculative positions from traders. A previous token release of $24.85 million in crypto saw a 0.50% increase in the crypto's price. Research firm The Type predicts that November release will free up a large amount of liquidity, potentially impacting its prices negatively. The 20 million APT tokens represent 112% of the average volume traded on exchanges over the past 30 days. APT was trading at $521, up 0.64% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Next on the list, we have Polygon. The Ethereum scaling project Polygon has officially proposed changes for its upcoming Polygon 2.0 upgrade. Initially introduced in June, Polygon 2.0 aims to establish a comprehensive network of interconnected Layer 2 chains driven by zero-knowledge proofs. Today, Polygon Labs released 3 Polygon improvement proposals that detail the outline of the transition's specifications for the upgraded Polygon 2.0 architecture and updates to its native token. The team has asked the community to provide feedback on the proposals, which will be implemented following approval through a governance vote. The final 2.0 upgrade is expected next year. The 3 proposals for Polygon 2.0 include PIP 17, which outlines Phase 0 and eliminates end users and developers' actions on existing Polygon POS and Polygon ZK EVM chains. PIP 18 proposes the implementation of the POL token, which replaces the Matic token as the native gas and staking asset. Third, PIP 19 calls for a backward compatibility upgrade of the native gas token on Polygon POS from Matic to POL, ensuring the core properties of upgraded POL token remain unchanged. Matic was trading at $0.52, up near 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain solution, Shibarium, is experiencing steady growth in daily transactions, with daily transactions hovering around 200,000. The platform's utility has been evident since its relaunch on August 28th, with daily transactions stabilizing near 200,000 since September 11th. Shibarium's lead, Satoshi Kusama, announced a relaunch on August 28th, and since then, daily transactions have steadily increased, with daily transactions reaching 2,000 on September 13th. As per the Shibarium scan, Shibarium has reached 2 million total transactions, 1 million wallet addresses, and 623,000 total blocks. Shiba Inu was trading at 2.23% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4.3 billion. Next on the list, we have XRP. Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, has introduced an automated market maker in XRP Ledger's latest update, which aims to leverage market fluctuations, particularly during price drops, to boost buying activity. This development is expected to attract existing XRP holders and increase buying pressure. Schwartz's vision for Ripple and XRP is to establish a robust network of competitive public liquidity pools, a pivotal movement for XRP holders as they become active participants in the ecosystem. The update introduces protocol-wide liquidity pools, prevents front-running, and introduces a fresh approach to liquidity provisioning. Ripple's development arm, RippleX, is working to expand the network base and set the stage for XRPL ecosystem's rapid evaluation. This includes new opportunities like institutional DeFi, focusing on regulatory compliance for decentralized finance. Ripple's 2023 New Value Reports provides insights into the growing demand for institutional DeFi sourced from over 1,600 global financial leaders. David Schwartz predicts a surge in buying interest and XRPL's increasing adaptability, indicating XRP is entering a transformative phase. XRP was trading at $0.49, up 3.55% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $26 billion. Last on the list, we have USDC. Circle, a fintech firm, has introduced stablecoin liquidity access on the Near protocol blockchain, allowing users to build user-friendly apps using Rust and JavaScript programming languages. This trust can be accessed by developers, institutional traders, exchanges, and digital wallets through Circle's APIs and Circle account. Near USDC has various use cases including streamlined global remittances, low-cost transfers, lending, 24-hour trading, and digital savings. Circle has added a new partner, Mercado Libre, to ensure digital finance efficiency and accessibility in Chile. This move follows the company's global expansion, which saw the altcoin Near protocol price surge to 3-week high in June following Alibaba's partnership. However, USDC was trading at $1, up 0.03% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $26 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.